We're covered up in birds, but they're about 150 yards out in front of us and they will not come into us. We make the decision to move to the other side of the field, and right off the bat we have a turkey pop up right in front of us. But I don't know if it's a tom or a hen, so we can't take a chance and take a shot. About a half hour later, with about 10 minutes left till 12 o'clock, in comes two gobblers. But again, they just will not come close enough for me to get a shot. And this turkey thing just isn't going as easy as I thought it would be. From here I head to Ohio to hunt with my good friend Jeff McCulley. He puts us on birds right off the bat, and it looks like our luck's about to change.
Here they come, Steve.
We've got 3 gobblers coming in. Jeff and I are all set and ready, and we're just praying that this comes together.
1, 2, 3. Got it.
After chasing birds for almost 2 weeks, we finally have 2 walk right out in front of us and 2 birds hit the dirt.